today I'm sitting here, I want to build something that's going to be autonomous, that should be designed for scale and should take care of this concern. How would I go about architecting it? What are things that I should think about early on so that I don't have to think about the retrofitting aspect or worry about salvaging things later on? How would you go about it?
Right. Well, if you have the luxury of being able to do this, then I would recommend is you think about three primitives in your architecture that are fundamentally important. Economic identity would be the first. Authorization boundaries would be the second, and coordination endpoints, as I mentioned, are really vitally important. So I only talk a little bit about each one of those. With identity, what we need is a system where we have a verifiable, auditable ID, not something which is simply a label for a device in the system, but rather something that's cryptographically anchored. It survives audits and disputes, and becomes the key by which we can determine that accountability question. We also need predefined policies that define what agents can commit to, what requires escalation to other agents or to humans, if need be, to implement the spending policies, by the way, which those spending policies must be actually embedded within the agent's runtime or the gateway interface proxying for those devices or agents. And so once we have boundaries on liability, then we can feel more comfortable that we have an auditable behavior that will allow us once again to trace the problems when they occur.